Froggy.
Hello, Froggy. Are you gonna put him back? No?
Look at her. She's examining the Froggy.
Look
Wow.
at that, he's moving.
See how he's breathing?
Hey guys. You got
Jenny
it.
wants to hold him. Oh!
No.
I got it.
You got it again. Oh, oh.
Every time she gets it, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh.
Get it.
Will the boys next door hold frogs?
Probably. My brother probably. Not me.
I wouldn't either, so. Huh?
She rocked.
You're rocking with the frog? You gonna rock the frog to sleep?
She's like, he's like, my hands are warm. I like this.
Just don't squeeze him. Oh, oh.
Right onto the foot.
You got him.
Did he dig him out?
He was in the ground. Jenny. Say hi, Jenny.
Hi. Jenny's not gonna hold that frog. Yep. You got it?
Let me see his tummy.
Oh, come over.
It's a froggy
You see
tummy.
his throat?
Oh. Oh, you got him.
That made me jump. I was like, you got the froggy.
Oh, 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 oh.
You got him by
Wait.
Wait, froggy. Oh, get him, get him. Oh my gosh.
If he survives this, he'll be a lucky froggy. Should we name him Lucky?
What are you gonna name him?
Stay, Froggy, stay. Are you gonna name him?
What's his name?
Oh, don't squeeze him too hard. There you go.
Aw.
Aww.
Look, he's staying.
He's a cute little froggy. Oh, oh.
Put him back on the ground.
You gonna put him back in the ground?
You want to put him in the bush?
That's
Over
where his
there?
mommy and daddy is? No.
Rock him.
Oh. Oh. You got him.
One of these times the frog is just gonna.
He's smart.
Ooh.
What? Oh, oh.
Say,